Folding phones are getting so close to the mainstream with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, the compact size and lower prices of its predecessor. The Z Flip 3 dominated the foldable market in the year since its launch, with faster charging, stronger glass, and some stunning color choices. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 aims to pick up the baton and reach new heights. Before you go to conflating flip phones of today with their unbreakable double O's and sisters, you still absolutely, positively need a good case for your Flip 4. One bad drop is all it takes to turn that $1,000 masterpiece into misery. But these Galaxy Z Flip 4 cases add grip, drop protection, and style to elevate one of the best Android phones you can buy today. This ultra slim Galaxy Z Flip 4 case won't offer impact protection, but it also won't obscure or detract from the natural beauty of your illustrious flip phone. The other benefit of this being super thin and super transparent is that you can easily see that there are no garish adhesive stripes involved. This case snaps on. While clear polycarbonate cases can sometimes get those rainbow oil slick looking puddles on the back, where the phone and the plastic comes together, the Ringke Slim uses a dot matrix inner finish to prevent those unsightly blemishes and keep everything beautifully slim. Again, the Slim won't provide any protection against the drops, but it does add scratch protection, and it does so while preserving the Samsung style. There are a few variations of this case to consider. The regular transparent version comes in both clear and matte versions. You might want to wait for matte if you want the colors to show through, but not every fingerprint, dust speck, and micro crack. There is a solid black version too, but there are better black slim cases to be had, especially on the list. Ringke also has a version of this case with a hinge cover in the works, but it's not here quite yet.